If you've closed your Shopify account and wish to reopen it, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify website and click on the login option. Enter the email address associated with your closed account. Step 2. Request account recovery. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Shopify regarding your account recovery. This email will contain a link or instructions on how to proceed with reopening your account. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions carefully. You may need to verify your identity or provide additional information to confirm your request. Step 5. Set up your account. Once your account is reopened, log in and review your settings. Make any necessary updates to your store, payment methods, and other preferences to ensure everything is in order. In conclusion, reopening a closed Shopify account is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance.